camera. Sakto kasi ang camera. Morning. What about Monica? Medyo maulan. Raining yung matuloy here. Agard. Good evening.
Patamtok naman dyan.
Thank you.
Mangka.
Hey, there you are, yeah. How are you? Did you just start? Yeah, just start. Hello, honey. Hi, honey. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Hi, Frank. Hi, Anel. Saxena. Hi, Anel. Hello, hello. I send big money. I send big money on Friday. Screw circle common. I saw like that. Thank you, Anel. Thank you so much, Anel. Rizal 5. Sultan Rizal. Sultan Rizal, what means? Okay. Okay, what? Kabita Malik. Hi, Kabita. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Ano, Saxena, smile. Thank you for that 16 million in the house. Salamat. Private chat. How's your evening? The evening is good. Frank. Thank you, Anel. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Salamat. Add my number. It's Thank you. Zojans, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, the 15. So 20 million in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. You have glowing smile. Thank you. Thank you, Frank. Adalia. Okay. You're beautiful. Yakar, thank you, Yakar. Yakar. Nice t-shirt. Thank you, Anel. Thank you, Anel. Thank you for the thumbs up. Spooky. Ano yan? Thank you, Spooky. Frank, you're welcome. I send you money on WhatsApp private. Yeah, first. Emily Ann, sending positive vibes and love from you. Thank you, Ma'am Ann, Emily. Emily Ann, thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
Ma,
Thank you, Gab. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hair open, smile nice. Thank you, Anel. Thank you, Emily Ann. Thank you so much. Add me now. I have no WhatsApp. Hi, host. Anthony Official Point 2. Hi. I'm Jayesh Shankar from India. I'm from Philippines. Joy and Chris, USA. Hi, Joy. From USA. Nice body. Thank you, Anel. Where are you from, Anel? Kumusta, Mama? Delshad, hi, how are you? Mabuti naman. Delshad. Good job, moderator. Good job, moderator. The moderator. Beautiful, young figure, face nice. Thank you, Anel. Thank you so much. You're beautiful, Henry Botch. Botch. Thank you. Thank you for the 20 million in the house and 7 thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Salamat. I like to see you. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. Hello, host. Gabi. Hi, mga po. Magandang gabi. Sambar Rizky Terrales. Magandang gabi po. God bless you po. God bless you then. God bless you too. So are you in the Philippines? Yeah, I'm from Philippines, from Lucky Girl. Lucky Girl? Oh, I'm Lucky Girl. Hello po. Salamat. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi din. I'm Summer Pills here. What part? Bicol. Bicol Province, Philippines, Sorsogon. I'm Nightcom. I'm Nightcom. How to meet you? How to meet me? I'm from Philippines. Host, are you from Philippines? Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Samborisky Charles. I'm from Philippines. I want to know your heart. You want to know my heart? Israel, what it means? Israel, RC. Oh, I am from Indonesia. Ah, okay. Welcome. Nice to meet you, Zamboristi. Nice to meet you. Are you? Why? Why you say that, Henry Botch? Why you say that to me? You think I am bad person? Oh my God. No wife, no life there. Just being honest. Just being honest. Hello, Virgie Pento. Like and subs. Thank you, Virgie Pento. Thank you so much. Okay, Cheryl. First like na subscribe. Thank you so much. She is not bad. Thank you. Frank, you seem like nice person. Thank you, Frank. Thank you for the thumbs up. Why you say that? You don't know me personally. Mako, hi Mako po. Hi po. Basta, welcome back Mako. Salvalion. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Salamat. Rodrigo, good evening, Mother. Hi, good evening. Sheryl, you're married. I'm not married. How are you? I'm fine. I'm not married, but I have a boyfriend. Akong pa. Don't listen to him. And for you, thank you, Rodrigo. Bodo. Good to see you, girl. Thank you, good Bodo. Keep like, okay, easy. Thank you. Hit like and subscribe, friends, okay? Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. How was your day? I want to eat my friend. Have a good night. Have a good day. Did you research the subscribe thing before people would do that? Did you research the subscribe? What? Okay, valuable, yeah, valuable. Mr. Here, Sambar. Thank you, Sambar. Hi, Jerry. How are you, Jerry? Welcome back, Jerry. Brazil football, yeah. Football. Jerry, when you move there, you bring all your furniture. I tried to send money to your WhatsApp, but I couldn't find you. I have no WhatsApp, Jerry. No WhatsApp. You don't need it, Jerry. You don't need it. Thank you, Jerry. I'm just missing you. I'm just missing with you, time. Cheryl, bye-bye. Thank you, my friend. Bye, Rodrigo. Thank you so much for joining my live. Thank you, bye. God bless. Take care. Ano yun? Hug of Brazil for you there. Okay. Ha? Hindi. Naguran. I'm taking nothing of him. Taking nothing. Mr. Leon. Hello, Mr. Leon. I will buy everything there. Hi, baby. Huh? Baby? Kisaban PM. Where are you from, Kisaban? Oh, okay. Because I have a container you can buy for $1,000. What? $1,000? Mr. Leon, I came to your live this morning. Hmm? While you were working and I subscribed. Thank you, Mr. Leon. Where are you from, Mr. Leon? How are you doing? Just sit down at the front of our home and then is it refrigerated and full of ice cream? Thumbs up, Dan. Cheryl, I miss you. Thank you, Kamizing. It double thank you, Kamizing. Thank you so much. No empty for dry goods. Mega love shout out program. Thank you so much, Kamizing. Thank you for Osmar Carol. Bom dia, mi amor. Ti amo. From India, but now America. Okay. Nice to meet you. The greatest commandments and the second. Who has died that you think about? Dear Chitala. What do you admire about them? I don't know. I don't know. I need. Huh? Henry Bod. Oh my god. Amazing. Thank you so much. Huh? Jerry. Kim wants me to come visit you to make sure you are okay. Oh, really, Jerry? Weird. Her watch. It's for you. Your words is for you, not me. Sorry, I'm not interested in toxic one. What would your kids, family, and friends write or talk about you if you had died last night? Oh my god. Why you talk about die? Okay, bye. Bye, HJHY. Bye. Gandang gabi, Tita Maria. What are you doing? Ay, I'm eating boy bawang. Hi, Tita Maria from Kamizing. The daily memories. Hi, where are you from? I'm from California. Duration is I'm okay. Kim, do you want me to stop by in chicken shells will be in just trying to help. Trying to help. What accomplishments do you have during your lifetime? Siguro yung yung accomplishment during lifetime. Ano? Siguro, minahal ko yung mga taong malapit sa akin. Nagpatawad, tapos all is nice. Wow. Still waiting. Harley, hi Harley. Hi Harley. Hello guys. Hi guys. She will be fine. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you doing today? I'm doing today. Work all day and walk a lot. Tired of walk a lot. Harley, how are you, Harley? Why are you sad, Harley? If she don't give your her business, how do you think she gonna give you her huh? Team. Hello, Jerry, Vegas. Yes. Beglon, like number 14. Thank you, Beglon. Thank you so much, Harley. Where you from? Double tap your screen, like, and subscribe. Thank you, Beglon. I'm just having fun with greeting from Jerry. BRB, I just pop. Okay, no problem, Fred. Arizona. Remember, Hardy, you want me to find you find someone for you. Okay, Cheryl. Maybe find you a girlfriend. Yeah, I find you a girlfriend, Harley. Earlier. Beglon, thank you, Beglon. Fred, you did not have to tell us that too much disgusting information. Okay. Yeah. Disgusting. For Harley, yes. Mueto bonita mi amor. Bundang, bandong. Loving someone is not an accomplishment. What have you done to improve your life? Loving someone is not an accomplishment. What have you done to improve your life? Yes. What I've done to improve my life. I need to be hard work. I need to hard work on my own. Yes. Yes, Harley, she is cute from her work. Why still that, Tita Marie? Mary, I helped the homeless before. Yeah. Sana all. That's good, you're... You're living with them doesn't mean help them. Just messing with you, Jerry. Cheryl, thank you for answering my question. I believe women need to be independent, not rely on others for financial support. And even if they are in poverty, it's called the crab mentality. Thank you, Tita Marie. Andrea Paris Traveler. Hi po, Andrea Paris Traveler. Hello from Turkey. Hi, Suku Partai. Hi, Suku Partai. Come on, Tita. You know you need me. Sana all. Paul Crutch. Thank you po naman yung pinuntahan sa akin. Team Harley. Jerry, you said you have a girlfriend. Does she know she's your girlfriend? Hi, beautiful woman. Hi, James Jacobs. Hi, James. That's great, Jerry. Thank you for blessing the unfortunates with your hard working. Yes, Tim, but she also knows I'm a joker. Amazing. Hi, amazing. Bob Love Vlogs. Life joint. Life joint. Hi, thank you, Bob Love Vlogs. Thank you, thank you. Where are you from? Thank you for the answer. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the 11 million. Salamat. Thank you. Very nice live going on. Thank you. Tita, if you want to be independent and not depend depend on a man's money. Will you take care of me with your money instead? What? Thank you for follow vlogs. Thank you so much. You're hilarious. Hilarious, Jerry. Where's Harley? Harley, I find you someone. Sheryl, take your moderator. Why? What happened? Exit na muna ako, sisiho. Salamat. Thank you, Amazing. Thank you so much. We scared Holly, maybe he is married. Huh? Is there such thing as having how much money? What? Wait. Calm down. Just calm down. Guys. Man, Tim wants to banish me. You don't really need it. Calm down. I think Carly is maybe married. We don't know. I want to get married, I promise you. Hello po, magandang hapon. Kumusta po? Okay naman. Okay lang, ikaw, kumusta? Salamat. Are you serious? Calm down and have a little fun. Yes, but you're not doing the monitor job. Thank you for the 20 million. Oras mo dyan. Oras po. 9:17 p.m. Subash Babu. Babu pala. Subash Babu. Ay.
Good job. Nice. Okay. Release.
You're welcome. Sure. Take my jacket away, shower. It's no problem for me. You're welcome. Hello. I'm Ahmad, but I can't time out or block anymore. The problem. No, guys, calm down. We are good here, okay? Calm down. No need to argue, no need to fight, no need to... we're just... How are you? I don't care about your mood, just heard about Sheryl. Watch Howard. One said she's monetized. I'll be sending her super chat. Thank you so much, Tita. Thank you, Tita. Salamat po, Tita. But you're not doing it. You never put anyone in timeout. I think you wanted to protect yourself, but you are okay with me, Joy. If Tim is your boyfriend, then it's okay if you abide by his wishes. Okay. How are you? Pinky Team, I never asked for much to begin with. I'm from Morocco. Hi, Mubarak and Mubarak Kaito. I'm not here to marry the house. Tita, thank you, Tita. Oh my god, what's happened? What happened, guys? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. She will make more the rice when she hopes. Same tita, I just pretend to. I want the key, please. What the K? What the K? Jenalyn Tijano. Hi, Jenalyn Tijano. How are you? Bomba. Bomba one sila. Calm down, relax. Okay, calm down. I'm not worried about that, Tita and Jerry. Jillian and Philippines. Hi, Jillian and Philippines. How are you? Yes, Jerry. We're here for fun and give support. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Just here is thank you, guys. I know that you supporting me, guys, and thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And oh my God, relax, calm down, okay? Why can't we be friends? I know that. Relax, relax. Hi everyone, Julian in Philippines. Hi. Hi Julian in Philippines. How are you? The king. Filipino lang. Yes, Filipino lang. We are relax, Cheryl. Okay. Just relax. There is no problem, yes. No need to complicated. It's not ano. We're just talking here, okay? We don't love, you don't love me, Tim. Calm down. Tim, you're a great supporter. Just chill, yes. Chill. Just chill and calm down. Alright. Chill, you're okay. Asan kayo nagpuyo? Asan kayo nagpuyo? Oh my God, I'm killed. So, tada! Family people first. It gives her subs and support. I'm not worried about that. I know how the game goes. I agree, Jerry. Just started. Hello, just visiting. Hi, pinsan. Salamat. Hi. Papunta ka. Wait lang. Salamat. Kumusta? I only time out if you talk nasty. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Hi, just cha. Kumusta? That's the Sopra. We are Filipino. We love our country and believe with our speak country. Yes, thank you. Just please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Okay lang, kumusta kayong lahat? Kumusta kayong lahat? Okay lang. Ray Miller, hi B, I'm back. Hi, thank you Ray Miller. I'm back. Thank you. Welcome back. I think you scared Harvey. Maybe he's married. We don't know. Maybe Harvey is busy. He's busy. Zari. Zari is Zimar. Hi, Zari. Hi, Sancha. Thank you for the 10 million people in the house and 23 thumbs up, guys. Hi, bro. It was that. Hi, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to comment. Thank you, Jerry. Friends Gabriel. Ako si Simon. Pinilitan ko lang pangalan ko. Hi, Simon. Kumusta na, Simon? Team Harley? We don't know. After you said that you find one for him. He hides. Okay. It's look good dito pala. Hi, Cha. It's look good dito pala. Kumusta? Thank you for the 17 million in the house. Salamat. No. Wala. Kumusta sa inyong lahat? Para papap. Thank you so 24 million people in the house. Life Travel USA. Hi, welcome back. Ray Miller, has a crush on you. Me, I don't know. Just dropping by here. Dropping by my lives, Zopra. I'm craving on popcorn shrimp from Popeyes. Tita! Hi, how are you? I'm fine, Life Trouble USA. I'm fine. Let's go to Popeyes, Tita. Thank you for the 25 thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Where's Greg? Greg is busy. Okay. Grace is just a lot of fun. Sopra, everyone has a crush on Sheryl, including me. Thank you, Tita. Salamat, Tita. I like Popeyes. Tastes like Jollibee. Yes. Thank you, Cha. Cha. Look at the camera. Yes. And smile. Look at the camera and smile. The wrinkles. Thank you, Insan. Kumusta na dyan sa Amerika? Thank you for the 18 million in the house. Sa 18 million in the house, salamat. Salamat and the 25 thumbs up. Oh, chicken joy. Yes, chicken joy. Burger, spaghetti. Good. I'm working right now. Okay. Cheryl, let's go! Thank you, guys. Salamat. Thank you, tita. Tita Marie, Tita Marie. Ay na lang cartoon man, jay.